Kana, beads.
Actually already like 12:30. I slept in a little bit today. I was actually planning to bake something as soon as I was done getting ready, but apparently I have to let it defrost for about 2 hours. So until then, I'm just gonna finish reading my book. I'm like halfway done, so I think it'll only take me 2 hours to finish the rest. This is my makeshift little bookmark because I don't have one, and it's just from a gotcha capsule, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna be making some homemade Pop-Tarts. The jam that I'm using.
Oh my god, that is funny.
I don't think it's gonna, I think it's just look at that. Isn't that cute? Have to go for 11:10. This is icing that I had from when I made mochi donuts, so I'm just reusing.
Did you use it? Like American cakes is too sweet.
Just got done doing a little bit of studying. I wanted to give you guys a small little YesStyle haul. Most of the items that I got, I had like fall winter style outfits in mind. So the first one I got is this navy blue cardigan, which is super cute and a really nice basic. I'm really excited about this. The only thing is that I don't think I have any pants to match it, so I have to find that next. I actually wore this in last week's video, but this one is a double zip up jacket. It's just gray, it's super warm and fuzzy, and it just feels so soft. And then I got this plain white tank top with a little bit of like lace trim on it. I got this specifically to wear with the cardigan, and I thought it would look really cute because I really don't have that many white tank tops for some reason. This is also another item I was thinking about layering with because I actually tried it on. The shoulder area is a little bit too big for me, so it ends up just falling off the shoulder, but I wasn't sure if it was supposed to be like that or not. Can't remember. I think this will look really cute with cardigans and jackets and stuff, so very excited. And then the last top that I got is this asymmetrical gray long sleeve. So it's asymmetrical up here because it's like kind of off the shoulder, but you tie this ribbon as like the strap, and then it's also asymmetrical on the bottom. It is a little bit long though, so I would say this would be better for lower rise pants. And then I also bought this jean skirt because I really wanted to wear like a big sweater with a mini jean skirt, but I think this one might be a little bit too small for me. So this is like a little bit too tight on my hip area, but it fits like perfectly on my waist, so kind of sad about that. I might give this to my sister instead. I also got some socks. The first ones are literally just like these plain white socks that I bought before, and they're actually like a perfect crew length, I think is what they're called. They're not as tall as like the athletic socks that a lot of people wear, but they're also not ankle socks. It's like that in between. I don't know if they're called quarter length or crew. Then I got these thicker socks. I think these are called like cable knit socks. They're a lot thicker and they're actually pretty fuzzy. I think they're gonna be really warm. I am a little bit worried it's gonna be be itchy for me though, but that's only because my skin is like super sensitive. I actually don't know if I'm gonna keep it on because I don't know if I like it, but it has like this bunny print on the wallet and I thought it was so cute, and it's just like a small wallet. Mine actually ripped open, so I had to buy a new one anyways, and this one is super cute. Then I just got these plain silver rings and they actually fit perfectly, which I was not expecting. Some hoop earrings that I wanted to try on for you guys, but one of them literally came in broken, but considering that they were like $3, I'm really not that surprised. They would have been so cute to wear. I got this little keychain. It's just becoming an obsession at this point, and this character is so freaking cute. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a ghost. I think their name is Hanamaru. It's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I literally got another one of these lip balms. I've bought this before, and this lip balm is so freaking moisturizing and also tinted. I love the color so much and it looks so good. Like if you were to get anything from yesstyle, this would be like my #1 recommendation. This specific color too. My sister came to the mall yesterday and she told me that a miniso just opened up, so we're gonna go check it out really quickly. So many chihuahuas. If I bought two, I feel like that would be like my whole paycheck at that point. I'm literally just looking for journals. Oh my god. So cute. It kind of looks like we're matching. Look at
Ben.
We have a lot of tiny ones. I'm so meticulous with it. That's a lot of stickers. I almost forgot to show you guys what I got from Miniso. I didn't buy a lot because I'm planning to go back with my friends, but I got these Miniso stickers. Maltese? This one is Maltese. It's so freaking cute. And then I also bought a Chihuahua plush. It's so adorable. Well, keychain plush, whatever you want to call it. The only thing is this one was literally like $10, which is crazy for a keychain, but I had to buy it. Why is the lighting so bad?
It's really bright.
Look at the camera. We came to the mall to grab some lunch. And the only thing that we really like here now is this place called Sarku. It's been here for so long and we used to come here all the time when we were younger.
That first day was
From where Kevin's playing Persona 5. Take care of your own cat. Like you say, take care of
how's it going?
This one is good.
No. I my priority. Mate.
I like this one, the Gogoma one, and then fishing one, or secret. Literally almost all of them. Secret. Wait, I think this is a card that tells you what character is, so I'm not gonna turn it around.
Oh my god, it's the catching one. Oh my god, triple excursion.
Literally matches.
I literally had Kevin open up.
I've been wanting to make a junk journal for a while now, but I literally just keep forgetting to save my junk. I like have a bad habit of losing things very easily, so I've been trying to keep things in order. And so I feel like I've accumulated a decent amount that I can start putting stuff together in my journals. I have like this old journal that I only filled out like 3 pages of that I got like in high school. So I'm going to rip out the old pages and I'm gonna basically start like a new journal for it. I just feel like I have so many stickers that I never actually end up using and just like stare out, so I'm gonna try and utilize these in my journal. My mom sent us this little bingsoo machine, so we're trying it out with soy milk, and it's actually super easy. The only thing is that you need one of these little transformers because it has the Korean voltage. Okay. But we're using this blue bowl that we got from Japan. It's from Mr. Donut. This is like super old. Oh, there it goes! Oh my god, clean up the mess. Oh no. So we have little mochis to go on top. We have condensed milk, matcha ice cream, and then also this little container of red beans.
Which one?
The Japanese ice cream, little mochis as well, but they're oh my god, that is so much ice cream. Red bean is literally reserved for bingsoo, so it's okay to have a